Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have another cryptocurrency tutorial video for you, and I'm going to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency Floki Inu. And if you haven't heard, it's a pretty popular crypto right now, one of the meme coins, along with Doge and Shiba Inu. And I had a request to show or to put together a video on how to buy it. So here we go. That's what we're going to do. It's pretty easy, very similar to other coins that I've showed on here, like SafeMoon and things like that. So if you know how to buy those, it's going to be very simple to buy this coin or this token. And so if you're not familiar with Floki Inu, here's the website, theflokiinu.com. And you can check it out there. I'm not going to go into a review of this coin at all. I'm just going to show you how to buy it. Chances are you came across this video because you want to buy the token and already know about it. But if you don't know about it, come over to the website and read all about it right there. And to buy it, there's different ways that you can buy it. You can buy it on Pancakeswap, buy it on Uniswap, and buy it on Gate.io. And I'm just going to show you how to do it on Pancakeswap. Okay? And I'm going to do it with the Trust Wallet. It's just a simple, easy way to do it. And most people are using their mobiles anyway. But you could also do it on the desktop with Pancakeswap, with either your Trust Wallet or with a MetaMask wallet as well. And I'll briefly show you that at the end. Okay? So here we go. Let us buy some Floki Inu. Here I am. I'm going to open up my Trust Wallet. And if you don't have a Trust Wallet, you can just download it for free from the App Store. And now what I want to do is I want to get some BNB Smart Chain BNB tokens. And I have a little bit here in my wallet, but I need some more. And so what you'll want to do is you want to either buy BNB here on your Trust Wallet, but it's more expensive that way, or transfer in some BNB from like Binance or Binance US. I have a video on how you can do that you can check out as well. And then so once you get your BNB over to your Trust Wallet, which I have here, I have some that I staked. So I have 0.21 available. And so what I want to do is I want to swap this and make it Smart Chain. Okay? Make it Smart Chain BNB because that's what we use on Pancakeswap. So just hit Smart Chain, swap to Smart Chain, and then we'll put in the amount. I'm just going to do 0.2. All right, and then hit swap, and then hit confirm. And then it is processing, and it's usually pretty fast to process. Just says it might take a few minutes. You can click on the more details if you want and go to the Explorer to see how it's going. So you can hit done, and then we'll go back and we'll just refresh this. And I refreshed it, clicked on there, and you can see 0.2 Smart Chain BNB that I have right up there at the top. Perfect. And now we can buy some Floki Inu with it. So what I'll do is I'm going to open up a browser now. If you are an Android, you can do the browser right down there at the bottom of the Trust Wallet app. There's a browser function that you can click on and go to it that way. Apple does not have that anymore, so we have to just come over to here. I'm going to open up Safari. And I already have Pancakeswap set up there, but you can just type in Pancakeswap and find it. So go to Pancakeswap, and now we want to connect our wallet. So I'm going to hit connect. You can't just hit Trust Wallet here. You need to go to Wallet Connect first. So click on Wallet Connect. And then if it asks you, then click Trust Wallet. I'd already done that previously, so it didn't ask me, but now I am connected. And then just scroll down and hit Trade Now. And here we go. It shows my BNB right up there, 0.2. And now I just want to select my currency. I'm going to come down here and do Floki, type in Floki. If you don't see Floki, you'll probably see it grayed out if you haven't bought it before. And then just click on it. It'll ask you to import it. So just import it. So here it is. And now I want to type in the amount of BNB that I'm going to use. I'm going to do 0.2. And then it tells me how much Floki I'm going to get. 393,216. Make sure the slippage is set to 4%. If it's not, come up here to the gear and then type it in right here. Type in 4. Done. If it's not set to 4, it won't work. X out. It's set up to go. We're going to swap. And it tells you what it is, 0.2, and it tells you what you're going to get. And hit confirm swap. Okay, and then this little confirm will come up, and just hit confirm. And we just bought it. So there we go. We just bought the Floki. And now if we want to come back here and look in our wallet to find the balance of Floki, you may not find it right here. So what you need to do is go up here to the top right corner. There's little sliders. Click on that. And then search for it. Again, Floki. And make sure you find the right one, Floki Inu, right here. That one. And just click that on. Hit done. And there we go. And now I can see my balance right there, the 383,000 Floki. And that is how you buy Floki using your mobile on the Trust Wallet. But what if we want to buy it on the desktop, maybe using the MetaMask wallet on desktop? I'll show you how to do that as well. So here I am on the home page here. I'm just going to go to Pancakeswap and connect my wallet. MetaMask. And then I am connected. I'm going to go to Trade Now, right down here. And it's going to load up my BNB balance. I have a little bit that I always keep on the MetaMask to use for gas fees. So I'll give it a second to load. There it is. And then what you'll do is you'll just come down here and select your currency, Floki. And again, so here, if it's not listed, I haven't bought it on here before. And so you're just going to import it. So this gives you an example to import. Hit I understand, that's the right one. And there is the Floki Inu FLOKI. And then you can do the same process. Just put in what you want to do. So put in 0.5, and it shows you what you're going to get. I'm not going to swap it because I don't want to buy out of here, but this is just showing you how to do it on the desktop. Come up here to the gear and make sure you change the slippage again to 4%. X out, and you're ready to swap. All right, and then you'll get it. And so that's basically the same steps if you're doing it on the desktop versus on the mobile. But you just need to remember that you need to buy BNB wherever you want to buy it. I buy it on Binance US, or you can just buy, if I come up here, you can just buy it right there in your Trust Wallet, hit buy, and type in BNB. You can actually just straight up buy Smart Chain BNB right away if you want, and then pay the fees. The fees are higher though. And that's why I always just buy it like on Binance US, and then like I'll just buy it over here on the Binance US wallet. Okay? I'm not going to go through that, but you just log into your Binance wallet and buy BNB, and you can buy BNB Smart Chain there as well, or just buy BNB and swap it to or just buy the BNB and then send it over to your Trust Wallet and do like I showed you. There you go. Really easy steps to buy this Floki Inu coin. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful for you. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, happy trading everyone. Take care.